Hello Simply Hustlers, this is Konstantinos, another episode of the Simply Hustlers channel. And this time we're gonna talk about something that you really love. Instagram growth. How do you really grow your Instagram account in 2022 or even in the years ahead? Like with anything we want to do in life or in business, it's all about finding the right settings. So I had this post the other day on Instagram and I want to elaborate on that, giving you some bonuses. So before we move on, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I promise you some unique gems are coming, and get ready to explode your Instagram growth. So, number one setting, really important. Most people enter this platform named Instagram, and most of the times all social media platforms, with a very selfish approach, which means they want to serve themselves, first of all, before even trying to serve others.
It's not about them, it's all about me!
And when I say serve others, it means creating content that serves their needs and desires. So do you really need their needs and desires when you create content? Or you just expect that the things that you have in your head are enough for them to get excited about your next post? 99% of the times, this is not the case. Most people, most business owners, most wannabe influencers start creating content based on what they want. When you realize that you need to understand what people think and what people want to see in their feed, is the first step to start becoming a content creator on Instagram. And for that, you need to double down whatever you believe that it's too much in terms of knowledge, expertise, secret that you share with others. I was like that myself. When I entered Instagram or even my YouTube channel, I was like, okay, I will cover this topic, but I will not expose all my secrets. I cannot tell them everything I know, everything I gained 20 years in marketing. It's not fair. Well, whether it's fair or it's not, this is the only thing that works right now on Instagram, on TikTok, or any other platform, is sharing everything you know. Trust me, this will not take away clients from you. It doesn't mean that the things that you can do as a professional and people would pay for that will not happen just because you share too much. There is no such thing as too much value. Never. It always comes back to you. It builds your authority, your trust, builds a community, and this nurtures this idea in your audience minds that you are the place to go whenever they want to learn anything related to the matter. And guess what? When they need extra help, you are the first one that they will think about. Number two, my favorite one, your fucking entitlement. Excuse my French, but this is something that most people have as a negative setting in their default settings when they enter the platform. They believe they deserve a following. Oh, this guy has a following, so why not me as well? Well, guess what? You haven't earned it. And I'm not talking about fake followers or all those sketchy things with bots and growth loops and groups on Instagram that promise fast growth and all that crap. I'm talking about organic growth that has come because of content and engagement. So take this entitlement that you have, do this, and throw it in the basket. You don't deserve anything on this platform. Nothing. Zero. Unless you start proving daily that you can really add value to this platform, to your audience, to your industry. Because above everything, you're not just a business. You're an ambassador of your industry, of your niche. Like we do. We're a marketing agency. Have you ever seen us trying to sell our services on the platform? All we do is proving every single day that we have the knowledge and the expertise that it's valuable enough for people to follow us. So no one is stopping you from getting to the point that you want, from earning followers, but your approach and your entitlement. The only expectations you should have is about the quality of your content and your effort to engage with others daily. Number three, comparison is the motivation killer. So the easiest way to destroy your discipline, your motivation of starting this effort to grow your Instagram page is to check my numbers, check my growth rate, check the growth rate of other big accounts, or anything else you believe it's relatable. Let me tell you this, you're just seeing the top of the iceberg and you don't have any idea what has happened to this creator and to this page in order to get there. There are plenty of hours of work, there are tens of years of experience, there's dedication, consistency, and it's never just a number. And guess what? Every journey is different. You might grow faster than me, you might grow slower than me, but you can do greater things than me. Every journey is different, every niche is different, every business is different, every brand voice is different, so there is nothing really relatable to others. The only thing you need to compare with is how your last post performed. That's it. Study your insights, try to keep what worked for you, and see how you're gonna perform the next day. Number 4, it's all about expectations. If you believe that this is important for you, to grow your Instagram page, to build a community, you will treat it equally important. What does it mean? That you will show up every single day, you will book a slot in your calendar every single day to engage or to create content, and you will make sure that this is a priority in your daily task list. You will not do it whenever you feel like doing it. You will not do it when you finish everything else, but you will do it every single day like you have promised to yourself and to your audience. It is a lot of work? Damn yes. Damn straight.
Damn straight.
It's a lot of work, but there is also a huge benefit getting that growth, of getting this community, of building that Instagram page. Nobody ever said that this is easy. There are no shortcuts, just insights from people who have done the journey and the work required. You cannot play like an amateur and win like a pro. We agree?
Amateur, amateur, amateur.
Good. Number 5, Instagram is a social media. Before you tell me
No shit.
let me explain. Social media is all about being social. It's not about you being on a stage and talking to others without ever interacting with them, without answering to them, without outreaching to others, without trying to make friends, real connections, an engaged community. This doesn't happen by itself. You need to create it brick by brick. So what I say always to my students, in my posts, in my lives,
Just to keep it simple.
when you enter the platform, try to make 10 real connections every single day. When I say 10 real connections every single day, treat it like a huge party when you enter and you intentionally try to make friends. Go, introduce yourself, ask something about the person, try to be positive, say something nice, initiate a beautiful conversation, and do that 10 times. Go to their DM, go to their comment section, add some value, introduce yourself. If you can help them somehow, do it. But just don't please go there and ask for a follow or something without giving anything in return. So keep it simple. Make friends, be social, enjoy it, and start loving it. One single person, one single new connection can change your business life forever. Number 6, get out of this fucking box at last. Stop trying to be Gary Vee, Simply Digital, Louis Vuitton, Nike, whoever. People are tired of the same shit every single time. Same thing in different color. Same quote in different design. The only way to stand out is not trying to blend in, not trying to be the expected business page of your industry. How can you excite me if I scroll on your page and see exactly what I'm expecting to see? The excitement of your new audience of people coming to your profile to visit and see who the heck you are is happening if you over-deliver my expectation with your content. So I scroll and see, wow, I didn't see that coming. Let me give him a follow. So be different, start being creative, start being bold, and don't be afraid to change the norm versus what your industry does. And finally, right now, video is dominating across social media platforms. When I say video, I'm talking about short, bite-sized video of 20, 25, 30 seconds full of value. Whether you are a camera-shy person or not, you need to find a way to show up daily on videos. I've experimented with everything you can imagine, and the thing that really works are Reels right now. The organic reach and the discoverability that Reels offer to the platform for new accounts, but also older ones, is not compared to anything else. And when I say Reels, please stop dancing.
Stop dancing.
Stop trying to be funny.
You are not funny.
Especially when you are not. Don't try to become a comedian. Don't try to play the model or whatever else. Just be yourself and give value in a different format. If you don't want to show your face, do something else. Use copyright footage. Find a new creative video and add a voiceover. Use whiteboard animated videos. Use a compilation of GIFs and make a funny story
Like this.
to pass through a message. Just be creative. So hope this helped you to modify a bit your settings on Instagram, because this is really the biggest change you need to do if you want to win big time in the platform. Hope you found this useful. If you did, drop a follow, share it with others, and I will see you very soon. Keep hustling.